In exactly 6 days we're gonna leave Japan to go back to Europe, and we want today to go to the shop to buy some gifts for the family, some special Japanese gifts for the family. So let's go.
C'est parti? On y va?
To buy a nice bottle of sake for my father. I think he never tried sake, and that's something that's typical Japanese. For now we bought chopsticks, that's typical for Japan. Let's continue our shopping. When you're ordering in Japanese and you don't know what you're ordering, or they don't understand you, that's what you get at the end. We are just me and Anya eating, okay, well, Gaia also, but the only thing missing that I still didn't got is a nice bottle of sake for my father. Guess I will have to get on a special mission to find a real nice bottle. I don't want to buy any random. I want it to be, you know, tasteful, but also quality.